In this video, we will see how to use linear pattern and circular pattern tool. So let's see how to use this tool.
Create a circle. Okay. Dimension will keep 60 mm and inner 55 mm. Go to feature, extrude, will extrude up to 200 mm. Okay. Mid plane. Okay. Now select front top plane, sketch, normal. Select a center line, draw one center line here. Okay. 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 Now go to smart dimension. Go on. Here to here. 18 mm. Here to here will keep 6 mm. Okay. Then go to feature, extrude cut. Okay. Now select this extrude cut. Here go to linear pattern. Direction, now select the body. Make 24. Okay. Now select the linear pattern. Go to linear pattern. Select a circular pattern. So now we have to select this face. Okay. You can see. Okay. So our part is ready. Appearance, select plastic, texture, and pattern. Select this one. Now select the color. Okay, this look like good. Okay.